take them aside. Take my face and desecrate my arms and legs. They get